Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to use Google Gemini in the Messages app. So to do that you have just to go to the messaging app, and as you can see there is Gemini icon like above of the icon of Start Chat. And if you want to use it, if you want to chat with Gemini in the messages part, you have just to click on it. But there is something important. You have to activate RCS settings to continue chatting, and RCS is not supported yet in all the countries of the world. But if it's supported in your country, you can use it, and you can use Google Gemini with that. And as you can see, by clicking on that icon, it will tell you that, "Hi, I'm Gemini in Google Messages. Chat with me to draft messages, brainstorm ideas, plan events, or simply have a fun conversation." And that's it. Like that, you can use Google Gemini in the Google Messages app. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.